How to pronounce this word? Should it be business or business? Do you know which letter is silent here? Do you know to pronounce it correctly or any confusion? So friends, in this video today, you'll learn to pronounce not only this word correctly, but you'll learn to pronounce a few more words. Hello everyone, I hope you all are taking very good care of yourself. You all are keeping yourself safe. You have understood it well that today's video is related to English pronunciation, mispronounced words in English for business. Let's start it quickly. I asked you how to pronounce this word. Now I'll tell you. Many people pronounce this word like business, but the correct pronunciation of this word is business. Business. Here you see letter U has I sound, letter S has Z sound, letter I is silent, and NESS is pronounced as nus, not nis. And the stress is given on the first syllable. That means when you pronounce this word, you'll emphasize letter B. Okay, so how to pronounce it? Business, business, business. Okay, business, business, business. Let's take another word. Many people pronounce it like entrepreneur or entrepreneur. But the correct pronunciation of this word is entrepreneur. So here you see EN is not pronounced like N. It is pronounced like on. On. Let's break it into syllables. Entrepreneur. Letter R is silent in British English. And the primary stress is given on the last syllable. So how to pronounce it? Entrepreneur. 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 You got it? Entrepreneur. No. Okay? Entrepreneur. And emphasize this last syllable when you pronounce it. So how to say it? Entrepreneur. Entrepreneur. Okay? Keep the letter R silent. And this means a person who makes money by starting or running businesses. Now the next word. Many people pronounce it like colleague or colleague, but the correct pronunciation of this word is colleague. Colleague. When you break it into syllables, we get two syllables, co and league. Co, just like college, and league. So E is a long vowel here, and the primary stress is given on the first syllable. It's very important to remember about the stress. That means to emphasize on the correct syllable if you want to pronounce any word correctly. Okay, so how to pronounce it? Colleague. Colleague, which means a person with whom you work in a profession or a business. Next word. How to pronounce it? Many people pronounce it like executive or executive. But how to pronounce it? Let's check it out. This word is pronounced like executive. 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 Now, break it into syllables. Executive. Executive. And the stress is given on the second syllable here. So, executive. 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 You got it? So, it is not X or egg. This is ig. Ig. Executive. 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 Which means a person who has an important job as a manager of a company or an organization. Okay? Next word. Many people pronounce it like corporate, but the correct pronunciation of this word is corporate. Corporate. So corporate. It is not corporate. Here letter R is silent in British English and it is pronounced like co and the stress is given on the first syllable. Co, p, not po, p, rat, not rate. Okay? It's not cor, po, rate. It is co, p, rat. Okay? Corporate, corporate, corporate. Now the last word, how to pronounce it? Many people pronounce it like restaurant or restaurant. But the correct pronunciation of this word is restaurant. 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 Got it? Restaurant. So here the stress is given on the first syllable and this is tront. Tront. So restaurant, 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 restaurant. I hope you have learned very well to pronounce all these words correctly. And if you have liked this video, then please press like and share it with your friends or relatives. And don't forget to subscribe this channel by pressing subscribe button below and press the bell icon also so that you may receive the notifications for the next videos. Very soon I'll try to upload a new video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.